I completely understand that there are financial realities that dictate decisions in people's lives. That is one of the really hard things about being an adult. But I do my best to offer the best. I never look at someone and make a judgment about what they can or will do for their pet. I do my best and I offer as many plans as I need to until that option is exhausted. And I do that so that when I look in the mirror, I have nothing to be ashamed of.
So if you go onto Instagram or anywhere on social media, you are probably going to find some sort of hashtag self-care and a picture of a latte or a big chocolate cake or somebody at the spa. And the reality is that, despite a lot of people saying that they're engaging in self-care, very often what they think is self-care is actually a coping strategy.
We're all going to have a bone pile, and we may call it whatever we want to, skeletons in our closet. For me, it's a bone pile, and bone piles are really heavy. Our mistakes are going to bear down on us, but you can use those bone piles in two ways. You can either let it bury you, or you can climb to the top of it because it makes a good ladder.
The simplest ideas can be the catalyst for great change. So today I'd like to share the great change that we've seen within our own clinic and talk a little bit about preventative care. We all know about it in animals. We all do that as a job every day, but do we look at preventative care for the health and well-being of ourselves?
So that moving above the line to a victor mindset, to that empowered mindset, means you go from feeling like a victim to being a creator. You create your destiny. You choose how you feel. You choose how you respond. Where you are the oak tree, you are the rock in the center of the hurricane. And it doesn't matter, the wind can buffet and batter, but at some point it blows itself out and you're still standing there, solid, strong.